Did you know that gasoline engines are not very efficient? They usually have about 28% thermal efficiency. But Toyota has created an incredible new engine that has doubled that efficiency. It's a game changer in the world of automotive engineering, and it's promising to rewrite what we thought was possible. Toyota is a big player in the car industry, and people trust them because they make really good cars. Even during tough times like the pandemic and chip scarcity, they managed to sell almost 10.5 million cars. Their vehicles are top-notch quality, and they have a wide range of models to choose from. Toyota cars also hold their value well, making them a popular choice for buyers. One of the reasons people love Toyota is because they provide easily accessible spare parts and have service centers all over the world. This makes it convenient for owners to maintain and repair their cars. Toyota has a long history of engine development. They started with modest engines that didn't have much power, but over the years, they have become masters of engine design. They now produce powerful and reliable engines like the two JZ GTE and 4AG engines, which are loved by car enthusiasts. Recently, Toyota introduced the dynamic force engine, which has significantly increased the thermal efficiency of their cars. This engine uses advanced technology inspired by Formula One racing to minimize energy waste and optimize the combustion process. By making small but impactful changes to the engine, they have achieved outstanding results in terms of power, efficiency, and emissions performance. The dynamic force engine has made Toyota a strong competitor in the race for greater efficiency. They've equipped their cars with this engine, like the 2022 Toyota Camry, which delivers a balanced blend of performance and fuel economy. Toyota's engineers are committed to delivering the best driving experience, constantly refining and improving their engines to impress car enthusiasts and those looking for fuel-efficient vehicles. They've left no stone unturned in their quest to maximize engine efficiency and performance. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of Toyota's remarkable engines. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting updates in the world of automotive engineering. See you in the next video.